Ladies and gentlemen, you're back. It's Dr. Larry Burchett. So this is the SMART Goals series. So we've talked about specific, measurable, attainable, S-M-A-R-T, specific, measurable, attainable. We're going to talk about relevant on this one. So what I want relevant to be, for you is it needs to be personally meaningful or relevant to your life. So, for example, a young man in his 20s might be very motivated, might be very relevant to him to have a lot of muscles, to be in good shape, so that he has a fun dating life, or wants to attract the kind of woman. Similarly, a woman in that period of life may want to be in really good shape for the same reason. On the other hand, having a goal of having a certain muscle mass or body fat percentage might not be relevant to a 70-year-old man or woman who at that point in their life, they're more concerned with function and quality of life. So that plan would need to be changed, formulated, and put into what is their goal. Well, their goal is probably function. So to those functional goals might be a little different. But the question is, how is your goal relevant to your place in life, what you want? And then also, how does it reflect your mission? I had a guy who, I got into him losing weight, and it was about him being able to play with his kids. Not only to be there, not only to be alive, right, to be there when they graduate, but kids are only going to be kids once, and then it's gone. So that time to play with them and to enjoy it. And so he had functional goals of wanting to be able to be active, to be on the ground and play with him. He couldn't do that because he was too heavy. Being a good father was huge to him. And experiencing this age of his children was very relevant to him. So again, it kind of ties back into the big why. Review the big why. How does this goal further your own vision and your own mission and purpose for what you have to do in this world? Or how does this goal enable you to live the kind of lifestyle and enjoy the things that you enjoy? So I think for everybody, it should be a goal to have a blood pressure that's under control, blood sugar under control, things like cholesterol and your weight. I think all of those affect most of our longevity and our ability to be active. So I would suggest that all that stuff should be a goal, that those are under control, kind of in target range. And then other things like smoking, excessive alcohol use, drug use, these kind of things, they're relevant to everyone in terms of affecting your life. If it doesn't actively affect it now, it certainly can in the future. So, any of those can be a very relevant goal, something to work for your health. Okay, so that's relevant. I do want to have one more on timetable, then we'll pull it all together at the end and get you to formulate this goal into a nice, specific, written down, specific, clear goal that you can pursue. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next video on our SMART Goals series.